Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on your Nothing Phone 4a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. Now here in the settings, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and scroll a bit down until you guys see security and privacy. Now we can click here, we can go to the device unlock, and then we're gonna click face unlock. Here we need to enter the password that we have, and then we can set up the face unlock. So what we need to do is keep our face in this circle. So let me quickly do that. As you guys can see now, this process took a little bit of like 5 seconds maybe, and our face data is now added. We can click done. And as you guys can see, let's try it. Let me quickly go like this. Oh, I need to enable the PIN first. And as you guys can see, face unlock successful, swipe to proceed. So that's how we know that our face unlock is working. So this process is fast and easy, and that's how you guys can easily set up your face unlock. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.